Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. B here with Montezuma Martial Arts Academy out of Dolores, Colorado. So here I am again with Mr. Judah, and we are going to be going over what happens when somebody gets you in a rear bear hug. If you watched the cross wrist grab tutorial, we talked about how some grapplers and some wrestlers are trying to pull us into that position and take our back. So we want to have an answer if we ever find ourselves in that situation. So Mr. Judah is going to go ahead and step right up here in front of me. Good. Now I'm going to come up, and when I'm doing this rear bear hug, my goal is to pick him up off of his feet. Now he's going to do something really really sneaky, and he's going to begin to pinch. I'm going to turn him a little bit so you can see he's going to pinch my thighs. That's going to get me to start letting him down. Now the moment he's here, he's going to drop his weight, and he's also going to step off to the right. That's going to make him awkward, okay? It makes it harder for me to pick him up because I need to get my posture back and I need to get him back to center. The more off center he is, the harder he is for me to pick up. Now, he's going to shoot his hammer fast back into my groin. That's going to start to get me to let go. As I collapse, he's going to lift me up with his elbow, and then he's going to continue to swing with his arms and open me up for that back kick. So let's do it one more time here to the side so they can see the pinch and the detail. Up, he pinches, anything to get me to drop. Hammer, elbow, and back kick. Good. So nice and easy. Let's do it to the front. Ready, and move up. He pinches, heavy, hammer, good. Boom, nice. Good, one more time. Let's walk him through nice and slow. So again, I got it. He's in trouble. Hands are here. Now, the more he can avoid me picking him up, that's great. So the second he feels me clamp my hands around him, he can already start to drop his weight and slide to the side. Okay? He doesn't need to wait for me to pick him up to execute. Now, this hammer fist to the groin becomes really good because that gets me to collapse, and that also gets me to loosen up my grip. This elbow here, we're going to take whatever we can get. I like the chest and the solar plexus, but if the bad guy's giving you some room to slide up and find that chin, you should 100% take it. Now, the reason why we do the step and the swim is to finish getting those hands broken. Then he finds that back kick. That back kick is a choose your own target. If you feel like the groin is more your speed, or even the knee, Judah's a talented enough kicker. He can find my chest pretty good. So don't think that the kick has to be right here. This is a great target. This is a great target. As long as they are not chasing you immediately after they let go, you're winning. One more time, Judah. So from here, I grab him, I pick him up. Oh, he gets that pinch. He makes himself really awkward. Then he swims, and he back kicks. So that's what we do for our rear bear hug with our arms pinned. We'll get into arms free and a couple other variations in some later videos. But please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave any questions or comments down. We'll make sure to answer them back as soon as we can. And until next time, guys, let's give them an assai. Assai!